Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree. Sorry if I sound like sick. It's probably because I'm getting a little sick. But I'm healed, you know, in the name of Jesus. But guys, I have a lot of errands to run. This video is like a little different than what you guys are used to on this channel. But I'm on my way to the grocery store because I have to get some groceries because I'm going to be meal prepping. I meal prep every week. It is so hot in this car, but I meal prep every single week. So I have a few things that I need to pick up. And also I want to get my nails done today. I need to go to the mall to pick out an outfit for my anniversary, and I need to exchange something. So I have a lot to do, so I just decided that I would vlog and take you guys along with me. So yeah, I've never done this video before, but this should be interesting. But yeah, if you guys want to come along with me for the day, then keep watching. But I just pulled up to Market Basket, and I have my list, so I'm going to go in and begin shopping. I actually don't have a lot of stuff to get, so I'm so happy about that. So I won't be in here forever, which is good, because usually I'm in the grocery store forever, literally. So I just got out of the grocery store, and I was actually in and out. I didn't really vlog too much in there just because it was kind of chaotic in there, and there was so many people everywhere. It was just a hot mess. So I wasn't trying to vlog too much, but I was in and out. And in total of everything I got, I only spent like $30. So I'm really proud of myself. You save money when you only buy for yourself. But so basically what I got is I got some salmon fillets. I got bananas. I got avocados. Oh, I just remembered. I kind of forgot something. I got, what else did I get? I got some pasta because I realized I have some shrimp left over, and I'm going to probably make Alfredo with spinach just to use up the rest of it. So I'm not going to eat that by myself. I'll probably just make that for my family. That's pretty much all that I can remember. Alfredo sauce, broccoli. So just bought some stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to run home, put my groceries away, and then head to the store, and I'm probably going to go to the mall. But yeah, so happy I was in and out. Just want to show you guys what I got. So I did go to Market Basket. I got some chicken breasts. This was the linguine that I purchased. They were like $1 each, and this is going to be for the shrimp Alfredo. And I got some ragu Alfredo sauce. I also bought some non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm going to have this for breakfast. This is going to be my dinner for the week, salmon. It's going to be my dinner for the week. And I'm going to have broccoli with it and red potatoes. And then for lunch, I'm going to have chicken with salad. And I'm also going to have, on top of my salad, I'm going to have some avocados. So I bought avocados, and I'm going to have like a boiled egg on top of my salad. And then I'm going to put this bananas in my yogurt for breakfast. So that's probably pretty much what I'm going to be having for the whole week. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the week. So I just thought I'd show you guys what I got at Market Basket. And all of this was about $30. Okay guys, so I suck at vlogging, but I'm in Macy's looking at stuff to buy my boyfriend for our anniversary. I already have a few things, but I'm not going to show it on camera because he watches my vlogs. But yeah, they're having a good sale. So I like low-key suck at vlogging, or high-key suck at vlogging. I like totally forgot to like show you guys majority of what I was doing. But anyway, so I went to Forever 21. I just got one thing, and then I exchanged something at Victoria's Secret, and because when I bought it, it was more expensive than when I went back to exchange it, I actually got some money back, so I ended up getting 2 more things. But I'll show you guys everything that I got. I went to Walmart, to Macy's, but instead of talking, I'm just going to show you guys. The first thing I want to show you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret. So I got this Good Vibes or Goodbye lotion, and I also got the matching body spray. So this is like a summer scent: Fragrant Lily, Pineapple Breeze, Pink Sunset, and Love Yourself. So I got those 2. And then I got this lotion, Don't Quit Your Daydream. This smells really good. I had to exchange this because the one I originally bought was open. So those are 3 things I got from Victoria's Secret. These were $6. They're on sale at the moment. And then I went to Forever 21. I only got one thing at Forever 21. I basically just got these. That's the receipt. I got these biker shorts. They're charcoal gray biker shorts. You're pretty basic. Everyone knows what these look like, but I just got these. I got them in a size large, and these were $3.90. So that's the only thing I got at Victoria's Secret. And then I went to Macy's, and I got my boyfriend some items for our anniversary present. So the first thing I got him is this red Champion. Hold on. This red Champion muscle tank. He loves red, and Champion is like one of his favorite clothing brands, so I got that. Another thing I got from him from Macy's was also, and by the way guys, everything I got was on sale, so I didn't spend full price for anything. But yeah, so this is just the Champion plain black hoodie, and it has gray on the inside. This is really cute. So I got him this. These are really like cute shorts. These Nike shorts, dark gray with the black check. And then the last thing I got him, actually this isn't the last thing I got him, these Champion sweatpants. And I think these are so cute because they have Champion on the side. So I got him this so it can match with his hoodie. So these were cute too. And then the last place that I went was Walmart. My boyfriend loves this candle from Walmart. This is the Praline Cheesecake. This is a 3-wick candle, and this is about $3. So I got this for him. It's not focusing. But yeah, so I got this for him. And then these last 2 items are for myself. As I said in the beginning of the vlog, I wasn't feeling good, so I bought some severe cold, multi-symptom medicine, and then I also bought some Biotin. This is just for hair growth and nail growth, and I used to take this back in the day, but I'm going to start taking this again to see if I start seeing any results. And then, what else did I get? Oh, and I also got some dog food, but you guys don't need to see that. So yeah. Yeah, guys, so I did not end up getting my nails done. So I wanted to get my nails done today, but I thought about it, and it kind of doesn't really make sense because I'm getting my nails done for Friday because that is when my actual anniversary is, and I don't want my nails to like start to grow out by then, and I kind of want them to look as fresh as possible. So I'm going to wait till Tuesday. Today is Saturday, so I'm probably going to get my nails done on Tuesday. And yeah, because that's the only other day that I can get my nails done this week. So yeah, so now I'm just going to put this stuff away and probably going to take the medicine. I'm probably then going to, I don't know, maybe I'll start cooking or do my hair, one of the two. I'm probably going to continue this vlog. I might just show you guys me getting my nails done and then end the vlog there. But yeah, so we'll see in the next clip.